Elipsa's rapid deployment template library is the easiest way to get started with self-service AI. To start, simply enter the email address and access key associated with your Elipsa account. Library templates are pre-configured with specific data points or features for a given use case. Additionally, the template specifies how many data points are required before the initial model is built, and the amount needed to retrain the model. If the library does not contain a template matching your use case and data points, you can also create your own custom template. Otherwise, select and copy your desired template. The template is now saved to your account, and a unique API key is generated for you to start streaming data. To stream real-time data to your newly saved template, follow the instructions in the Elipsa API documentation. All you need is the URL of the Elipsa endpoint, your template's API key, and the JSON body format to send in the request. Now that you've configured everything that you need in Elipsa, you can connect the template to any third-party application. We'll walk through connecting it to our partner Losant to create an end-to-end solution. In Losant, we're monitoring the real-time condition of an industrial heat pump. Utilizing the newly copied Elipsa template, we look to incorporate an AI model to monitor the machine for anomalies and populate the bottom portion of our dashboard. In a Losant workflow, we pull in the current sensor readings from our heat pump. Our Elipsa template will look for the return temperature, discharge temperature, relative humidity, and temperature set point. To stream the data points to our Elipsa template, we pull an HTTP node into our workflow. We set a post command and set the URL of the Elipsa endpoint, making sure to append our own unique template API key to the end. Next, we enter the JSON body to send. This includes your Elipsa API key, a unique ID for the machine being monitored, and the features configured in your template, ensuring to map the features to the location of the data points in Losant. Finally, we set the location of where to save the Elipsa response in the Losant system. We connect the sensor data to stream to the Elipsa node. The response from Elipsa, including the prediction, confidence, and status, are then connected to the remaining workflow to update the heat pump device in Losant. As a last step, we set a trigger to run the workflow and periodically stream data to our template. Back on our dashboard, Elipsa begins learning from the moment the machine is connected. Data is initially aggregated by Elipsa until enough is received to build the initial model, as defined in your template. Fast forwarding, once Elipsa has received enough data for a given machine, an initial model is automatically trained with no additional user action required. Insights from Elipsa will start to populate the dashboard using this initial model, while continuing to aggregate data for automated retraining in the future. Elipsa's rapid deployment templates provides the simplest and fastest approach to predictive maintenance, accelerating your path to actionable insights.